In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up deal stages in Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to structure your sales process, and how to make your pipeline more predictable with stage probabilities. First, open Freshsales and head to your admin area. Look for the settings or admin menu, typically represented by a gear icon. This is where you control the backbone of your CRM, including pipelines and the stages your deals pass through. Next, navigate to Deals and Pipelines and choose Pipelines. This is the hub for all your sales pipelines. Think of a pipeline as the path a deal follows from initial contact to a closed outcome. If your business has different sales motions, you may have more than one pipeline, each with its own stages. Now, select the pipeline you want to work on. You can edit an existing one if you're refining your current process, or add a new pipeline if you're rolling out a separate workflow. Choose the option that fits your team's structure and naming conventions, so reps instantly know where each deal belongs. Once you're in the pipeline, add or adjust your deal stages. Use the plus button to create new stages. Keep names short, clear, and action-oriented, like qualified, demo scheduled, proposal sent, and so on. It's helpful to define what must happen before a deal can move to the next stage, so your team has consistent criteria. If you spot stages that overlap, merge or rename them for clarity. You can also reorder stages by dragging them into the sequence that matches your actual sales journey. Place early discovery steps at the beginning and your closing outcomes at the end. A